If you thought that Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are the only two Indian cricketers that fans go absolutely bonkers for, then think again. Take a look at what happened in Hyderabad. At the Hyderabad Gymkhana, the SMAT match between Gujarat and Baroda was to take place. Representing Baroda, one of the players is the star Indian all-rounder in Hardik Pandya. That match, though, which is already concluded, had to take place not at the Hyderabad Gymkhana but had to be shifted to the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium because there were way too many inquiries happening. There were way too many fans reaching out for tickets. Hardik Pandya chants happening at the net practice or the practice sessions that were taking place in the lead up to the match. So much so that the organizers thought that they may not have enough in terms of seating arrangement to be able to handle the inflow of people. And at the last minute, the venue then was shifted from the Hyderabad Gymkhana to the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. Hardik Pandya chants were heard loud and clear. In fact, there's an incident that happened during the match while Hardik Pandya was bowling that somebody from the crowd came running in and touched Hardik Pandya's feet. There were chants of Hardik Pandya being made from the stands as well, and he ensured that the fans were entertained, returning with figures of 1 for 16, also bowling a maiden over as he went on to complete his 4 over quota. Also, by the way, there were 2 boundaries that came off his bat. Remember, Hardik Pandya, his performances are being closely watched not just by his personal fan base but from Indian fans as well, because you're looking at his return. He smashed a wonderful 50 in the match against Punjab, and you're looking at it all too closely because the World Cup isn't too far away, and you know what kind of balance he offers to this Indian team. He's already been drafted in the squad for the T20I series against South Africa, and everyone's looking forward to the international return of one of India's premier all-rounders.